Yo, what's up, everyone? This is into bodybuilding, the king of the sky, the biggest eagle in the motherfucking sky. Anyway, today I'm gonna talk about how to grow a beard. Lots of people have been asking me about this, so I thought I'd make a video about it instead of just, just taking a picture and posting about it and having you to read that long ass caption. But anyway, so here it goes. I'm gonna get straight to the point. Your hair, your facial hair, and the hair on your head grows the very same pace and it grows the very same way. So you need to keep your shit clean, man. Wash your face, wash your hair. I wash my shit every day. Like my hair. I don't know. I just prefer it like that, So yeah, you gotta keep your face and your hair clean, your facial hair and your hair clean. And that'll also help prevent dandruff. That those white things you get on your hair, you don't want that. It doesn't look good. Nah. So yeah, if you decide to go on this journey, you gotta dedicate yourself to washing your face every day. Number two, some people use beard oils, some people use essential oils. I use amla oil. Amla oil, it was recommended by this guy. Like, he's got a whole fucking, on his face. So when I asked him what he used to keep it long and thick, he said that he used the amla oil because Indian people use it. And I'm sure we all know, like, Indian people are killing this shit, bro. They have, like, the biggest hair ever. So, yeah. And what is this? I prefer to use amla oil. You can go to Clicks, Pick and Pay, Checkers. It's green. I'll post a picture somewhere. Yeah, I'll post a picture. It's a green substance. You can get it for, like, 25 rand, 30 rand. Yeah, and that shit works, bro. It works. And the third thing I can give you about growing a beard is that you gotta be patient. We all know that hair takes time to grow. Well, hair grows every day, that's for sure, but you gotta be patient. You won't see overnight fixes. It's the very same way. You can apply this very same principle to your muscles. Your muscles, you won't really see. You can't go to the gym first day and then expect results like first day. No, yeah, and like no. It doesn't work like that, man. You gotta be patient. So yeah, I started growing my beard when, let me see, probably like end of November. Like, yeah, end of November. I started growing this beard. Initially it was my mustache, and I don't know what you call it. Some people call it the goatee. I'll just go with that for now. Yeah, I grew my mustache. I shaved everything off except for this part over here. So as you can see now, I'm incorporating. I want a line over here, another line over here, The once this line over here grows, then I can incorporate the sideburns. So yeah, you gotta take time and you gotta know your vision. And fourth tip I can give you about growing a beard, man, you gotta trim your shit, man. You gotta trim your beard. Like the loose endings, you gotta have a clipper or whatever it is that you use. Just make sure that you trim it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. If you wanna see more, if you should make more videos like this, or if there's something you guys want me to talk about. Yeah. Anyway, hasta la vista, señor. Oh yeah, this is for the niggas. This is for the niggas. I don't know, ladies, y'all can watch, or y'all can recommend this to your niggas. Oh, unless you're a girl trying to grow a beard. But anyway, enjoy, guys.